What's up, guys? I'm back on my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be fishing. And I have this reservoir down by my house, and it's going to be perfect. I'm going to try to catch some trout and see what else we can catch. Okay, we're here at our first spot where we're going to be fishing. I got this spot, and there's really fast rapids. I'm gonna fish this for a little, and then we're probably gonna go down there where the reservoir is. But most of it is ice, so I'm just gonna fish this one. Sometimes it freezes all the way, but it's not safe at all. So I'm gonna fish right here. Maybe some better fishing. I might fish over there too. It's a little more calm, but I'm gonna try this one out. Look how beautiful this is. The ice. We'll see when you get there. Okay, guys, I'm back at my house, and today wasn't a very good job at fishing. I need to learn how to fish that spot and everything. It like comes out of an upper reservoir, and it comes down through this electric plant, and so they get electricity from it, and then it comes out into another lower reservoir that has a dam. So then I don't really know what's in there. Comment down below if you know if there's either trout, bass, like right now, because half of it's frozen, half of it isn't. Okay, guys, if you liked this video, if you like me fishing, I will be doing more in the summer. Right now it's like January 16th, so it's starting to get out of winter kind of. It's gonna be getting warmer soon, like in a month or two, so I will be fishing a lot more. Okay, guys, make sure you comment down below if you like fishing or not, because I want to know. And make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'm out. Deuces.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.